Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot, and now I will chain 70. So now that we have chained 70 for a foundation row, we'll make sure that our chain is not twisted. Then right here to this last chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. So now for row 1 I will chain 3, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through that same chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Now I'll chain 4. I'll skip the next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and through this 5th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 4. I'll skip the next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and through this 5th chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Chain 4. I'll skip the next 4 chains, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and through this 5th chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 4. I'll skip the next 4 chains, and through this 5th chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Chain 2, then through the same chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Never made this hat before. I'm actually just making it directly on the camera, as I do for most of the videos. So we repeat this throughout row 1. Now to finish row 1 I'll chain 4, and right here to this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, through his next double crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through his next 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Again I'll chain 4. Now through his next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 4. Through his next 2 chain loop, right into the shell, I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Chain 4. Through his next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 4. Through his next 2 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Chain 2, then through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 2. Now to finish row 2 I'll chain 4, then right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 2. So we repeat row 2 for the pattern. Yeah, we repeat row 2 until our work reaches our desired length. So let's see how many rows we have so far. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 19 rows so far. Let's see. in inches, it's 11.5 inches long, and so far it's yeah, 11 inches wide. So I made 2 rows in red and 1 row in black. The pattern is exactly the same. I only did it off the camera because I only did the black rows off the camera because it won't be visible on the camera. But I kind of like how it looks now with 2 colors. Did I say 19 rows? Yes. So to finish row 19, I will chain 14. I mean, to finish row 19, I'll chain 4. Then right here through this 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 19. Now for row 20, let me just write it down so I don't forget. Right here through this next double crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Through this next 2 chain loop, I'll make a slip stitch. And now I will chain 3. Now right there, through that 2 chain loop, I'll make 2 double crochet. So now we are decreasing. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet. Through the next 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet. So I'll continue making 3 double crochet through every 2 chain loop throughout row 20. I hope this is visible. So now to finish row 20, right here through this 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 20. Now for row 21, I will chain 3. Through these next 2 chains, I'll make 2 double crochet cluster, which is kind of like a decrease. Through the next 2 chains, I'll decrease. We're decreasing with double crochets. Through the next 2 chains, I'll decrease. Through the next 2 chains, I'll decrease. So we continue decreasing in every chain throughout row 21. Now to finish row 21, right here through this 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So you see we have this small loop. Now I'm trying to figure out, should I finish it off with a single crochet or just with the yarn needle? But I kind of don't want to mess up the flow. So let's try to do it with single crochets. So I'll chain 1, then through this 2 next chains I'll make 2 single crochet decrease. This is row 22. Through these next 2 chains I'll make 2 single crochet decrease, and again we're decreasing through every chain, we're just trying to make that loop smaller. Through these next 2 chains again I'll decrease with single crochets this time. Through these next 2 chains I'll decrease with 2 single crochets. Through the next 2 chains I'll decrease with the single crochet decreases. Now through this next chain I'll make a slip stitch. I will chain 1 and leave a medium-sized tail. Oh. Alright, so now with the yarn needle I'm gonna, close that very small loop right here. But first we're going to turn our hat inside out, or outside in actually. So we're going on the wrong side. I'm going to make a knot and then cut this excess yarn. Well, now you can wear this hat as it is. I kind of want to make it like a slouchy hat, so I kind of want to make a few more rows right here at the front, this time in red color. I don't know, I just feel that it's going to look better. But yeah, you can still, use it just the way it is. It will still be fine. I just feel it will look better this way. So, but what if we work only through these 4 chain loops? Well, right here through this loop, see? I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, and right there through that same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 4 chain loop I'll make 3 half double crochet. So 1, wait. Let's try something else. No, let's try something else. So right here through this loop I'll make 3 half double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. Now through this next single crochet chain, so right here, I'll make 3 half double crochet. Well, let's see, hopefully this will work. This is how creativity comes, guys. Now right here through this V-stitch, right through that loop, I'll make 3 half double crochet. The worst thing that can happen is that it won't look good. And then we'll take it apart and try again. Now through this next single crochet chain, I'll make 3 half double crochet. But I think it will look fine. Just hopefully we have enough chains. We don't want it to be too snug. Alright, so right here through this next V-stitch, right through that loop, I'll make 3 half double crochet. I kind of feel I should make 4, but let's see first if it works, because it might work, we don't know. So yeah, we repeat this throughout this row around the headband area. Alright, so to finish this first row around the headband area, right here through this first half double crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now I'm gonna make a few more rows of half double crochets. So I will chain 1, and through the same chain I'll make 1 half double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through the next chain 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 1/2 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1/2 double crochet through each chain throughout this second row. Now I'm going to make a few more rows, but they will all be 1/2 double crochet in every chain, and then we'll join with a slip stitch. But I'm not sure how many rows we'll repeat, so I'll come back and tell you. But basically all we have to do is make 1/2 double crochet through each chain for a few rows, and I'll tell you when I come back for how many rows, because this is the second row of half double crochets, and this is the headband area. So let's see how many rows of half double crochets we've made. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 rows of half double crochets. Now to finish this last row, just pull that yarn through, and I'll use a yarn needle. So right here through this first half double crochet chain, I insert my hook, the needle, and pull through. Then here on the right side, right here where we have this chain, right there through the center, and there you go. Now we just secure this yarn, and we'll be done. I like these hats are way larger than, beanies, and honestly I think this one turned out pretty well, if I say so myself. Alright, so this is what we have. So it's 13 inches long, but don't worry, this is gonna look very nice when you put it on. If you like these type of hats, you can also put all your hair in if you have a lot of hair, and it will just look pretty well. 11 inches, the widest part is 11 inches, and where we have decreased we have 9 inches. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.